Mountain bike helmets are a critical, often overlooked piece of protective gear that can significantly influence safety and comfort on the trail. With riders spanning from casual commuters to aggressive trail riders, selecting a helmet involves balancing protection, ventilation.
List number 1. ILM Adult Bike Helmet with USB Rechargeable LED Front. The ILM E3-10L combines a one-piece EPS PC shell structure with certified safety standards ASTM, CPSC, CE, EN 1078 to deliver robust impact protection for urban, road, and light MTB use. A standout feature is the integrated USB rechargeable front and rear LED lights, offering 4 lighting modes to boost visibility in low-light city rides or early evening commutes. The helmet emphasizes cooling through 10 vents and rear channels, and it includes a removable lens and washable liner to support practical daily wear. At a listed price around $64.99, it sits in a mid-pack value tier with added urban-specific utility. In real-world use, the ILM E3-10L excels as a commuting or mixed-surface helmet, where visibility and convenience matter more than ultralight weight. The front-rear light system is a unique selling point, though performance hinges on battery life and the reliability of USB charging in the field. Fit adjustment is aided by a size adjustment system and eyeglass-friendly design, but the overall weight, approximately 14.9 ounces, is modestly higher than high-end aerodynamically optimized designs. The removable goggle compatibility adds versatility for dusty trails or foggy mornings, though it may protrude slightly.
List number 2. Giro Fixture 2 MIPS Mountain Bike Helmet for Men. The Giro Fixture 2 MIPS offers a value-focused, feature-rich helmet with in-mold construction and MIPS for rotational energy management. The RockLock Sport Fit system provides easy one-handed adjustment with a broad 7-centimeter range, and the helmet includes reflective details to enhance visibility at night. The outer PC shell, fused to EPS via in-mold construction, aims to optimize ventilation while keeping weight low, making it a versatile option for a wide age range and riding styles. Priced at $61.89, it positions itself as a strong all-around option that leans into Giro's safety credibility without reaching the premium tier. In practice, Fixture 2 MIPS excels as a generalist MTB helmet suitable for fire roads and single track. The MIPS integration helps mitigate rotational forces in wipeouts, and the ventilation is solid thanks to the in-mold design. The RockLock Sport system offers confident one-handed adjustments and compatibility with ponytails, which improves daily comfort for riders who frequently adjust fit on the trail. However, as a value-oriented Giro product, it may not feature the most aggressive venting compared with higher-end Giro lines, and there are no integrated lights or visors, which...
List number 3. Giro Fixture 2 MIPS Mountain Bike Helmet for Men. This is another colorway of the Fixture 2 MIPS, identical in construction and features to the matte trim red variant, but priced at $84.95, aligning with the premium end of the spectrum. It shares the same MIPS integration, 18 wind tunnel vents, in-mold construction, and universal sizing, all designed to maximize protection and comfort over a broad range of riding disciplines. The higher price reflects colorways and perceived premium aesthetics, while preserving the same core technology and safety standards. From a performance perspective, the matte black-gray Logo 2 maintains Giro's best practices for ventilation and protection. Riders who value color coordination with their bike or gear might prefer this option, but the functional performance benefits over other Fixture 2 variants are minimal beyond aesthetics. For riders selecting based on protection and fit, this model offers the same MIPS benefits and 18-vent architecture, making it a safe, comfortable choice without trade-offs in safety features.
List number 4. Excluski Bike Helmet Mountain Bike Helmet for Adults. Excluski's budget-friendly MTB helmet emphasizes lightweight construction, a large adjustable visor, and a single-hand dial retention system. The helmet uses a PC shell with EPS foam and aims to balance basic protective capabilities with everyday comfort for commuting, casual riding, and light trail use. At $26.99, it represents a segment where value and visibility features, like the large visor, are prioritized over top-tier materials or branded confidence in impact performance. In use, Excluski excels as a starter helmet or for riders prioritizing cost over advanced protection tech. The visor is a standout feature for sun protection and debris shielding, while the dial fit system makes micro adjustments quick on the move. However, the trade-offs include lighter construction that may correspond to lower crash protection margins compared to higher-priced MIPS-equipped models. Users should assess their risk tolerance and intended riding style when choosing this option.
List number 5. Giro Fixture 2 MIPS Mountain Bike Helmet for Men. This color variant of the Fixture 2 MIPS offers the same protective technology and ventilation as the other Fixture 2 models, with a matte trim blue 2 finish priced at $67.74. It emphasizes protective standards with MIPS and in-mold construction, plus 18 wind tunnel vents for climate control. The universal fit system and reflective details are consistent with Giro's design language across Fixture 2 variants, providing predictable performance with a touch of color differentiation. On the trail, this variant delivers the same protection and comfort metrics as color-matched siblings, making it a sensible choice for riders who want Giro's MIPS performance without paying premium colorway pricing. It remains a versatile all-rounder suitable for a wide range of trail conditions and rider sizes. The slightly higher price relative to the base Fixture 2 may be hard to justify unless color preference or branding matters.